this experiment, we will be requiring distilled water, a beaker, a overripe banana, 3 test tubes and a test tube holder, a glass rod, a plastic pouch, salt, filter paper and liquid soap. First of all, we will be preparing a banana mash. So we have sealed half a overripe banana in this bucket, and now my friend Aman will mash it. Aman, mash it. Yeah, mash it nicely. Go. And now my friend Aman will be pouring liquid detergent into it. Now I will be putting some common salt into it, and now I will be mixing it using a glass rod. Now we will be putting this in the water bath. Now the water bath is at 60 degrees Celsius and it will be in there for about 10 minutes. Alright, so now we are going to pour the contents into a test tube using through a filter paper. Now we are going to carefully put the spirit in the dropper and then drop it through the sides into this banana extract. The detergent and the mechanical mashing break down the cell wall, the plasma membrane and the nuclear membrane of the cell and releases the DNA.
The detergent emulsifies the lipid bilayer of the membranes. The DNA has a net negative charge. The sodium ions of the salt neutralize and stabilize the DNA molecules, allowing them to move fluidly.
The alcohol present in the spirit dehydrates the DNA so that it precipitates out. The protein and the grease that we broke down in the first layer prefers the bottom, watery layer, whereas the DNA prefers the topmost alcohol layer.